Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r : and hit enter to execute this command. Now type C : and hit enter. Then type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space C : / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now type attrib space C : -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren C : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.